welcome back to Casting with Kat. We're here at Dodger Stadium. It's April 15th. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and we're gonna have a great day.
So if you didn't know, April 15th is Jackie Robinson Day, so everybody who came into the stadium that day got this really cool number 42 jersey, as well as all of the MLB players were rocking the number 42 for Jackie Robinson.
At third base, number 42, Justin Turner. An alumni and 33 students from Jackie's high school alma mater, John Muir High School in Pasadena. Thank you all for joining us on this special night. Now fans, at this time we ask that you please rise if you're able and kindly remove your caps for our national anthem. Performed tonight by a pianist since the age of 2. He's worked alongside Andre Day, Jennifer Hudson, and Raphael Said, and is finishing his debut record out later this year. Accompanied by Dodger Stadium organist Peter Rule, please welcome Charles Jones.
Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rocket's red glare, the bombs bursting in there, gave through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and our home of the brave?
Charles Jones.
Alright guys, so if you've never been to Dodger Stadium for Friday night fireworks, I really recommend that you go check it out. So what they do is they block off half of the field, and in the grassy area they let anybody come onto the field, so no matter where you're sitting you can get in line to come onto the field and watch the fireworks. A lot of people bring blankets and everybody brings their kids out, and it's a really great time and a really great memory for you and your family.
Crazy packed.
You can talk about the sweeter than wine, summer in the summer night.